Now we're going to create a stem and leaf plot on Excel. It's quite hard to do a stem and leaf plot when there is such small data. Our data only ranges on females from between 21.5 to 26. So what I've decided to do is have a stem in the middle like this that has 21, 22, 23, all the way to 30, only because the boy's largest foot is 29.5. That's why I went to 30. You could probably delete that one because none of them are, and it might change how our data looks. So I'm just going to write a 5 in this one here. And then I might put a 22, so I might put a 0, 0, 0 in that one there, and then I've got a 22.5. I'm going to put a 5 there as well. Then you've got a 3, so you've got a 0, and then you've got a 5, 5, 5, 5 in that one. Then what have we got? A 4, so I've got a 0, a 0, a 0, a 0, and a 5 in that one. And now you've got 25.5 and then 26, 0, and 0. So our key would actually be the 21/5 is 21.5. And then I would just delete this here because I don't need it anymore. I just moved it over from the other one just so I could, let's just Control V it just so it buggers off. Get out of here. Okay, it's not going, but you can get rid of it later. But that's how I would do it, and then do the same thing for the boys. So bring the boy data in, copy and paste it from here, put it in a new sheet down the bottom here, and just paste it here, and do the same thing. So 22, I would put a 0, and then a 23.5, 24, I'd go 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.8 apparently someone thought they were, and just like that. So 0, 0, 0, 5, and then 6 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and a 5 is going to go there, just to remind me. 0, 0, 0, and a 5, and then what have we got after that? 28 as a 0 and a 5 here. So I'm going to get rid of this here, delete all of that. Don't forget that 5 that had to go in here. Now, if this won't disappear, just highlight it. And if we go into, what is it doing? Let's just delete that. Backspace that out of there. Highlight that. And then let's click on this guy here and just say no borders, and then it's got rid of it. So that's what our stem and leaf plots would look like, or you can handwrite them. That's fine too.